What's up, guys? Today I'm opening a fidget spinner, and this is my first fidget spinner. My first fidget spinner was in Ellie to share this one with you guys. I like the design. It has like push in. It has push in thing. Piston pads, and I love it. It just feels really soft. I like it a lot. I didn't know if you guys like fidget spinners, so yeah, I really didn't know. The bearings are like really cool. I like. Well, it was an army one, but this black piece, the black piece fell off. So yeah, what if it would spin?